Dear sister, do you remember those times when we fought over the TV remote? When I used to bother you and you get so frustrated? I still remember when you would help me through the tough times even though you were upset with me. I remember all the good times and all the good laughs we shared. It will last with me forever. Those days were the best days of life. I wish we could go back to the good old days. Even today, when I look up to the sky and talk to you, what I wouldn't give to hear you talk back. I miss your voice. I miss your laugh. I just miss everything. I remember the first day without you. I've never been the same. I wish God had never taken you from us, but I know you come and see us often. Today is that day, and I just wanted to say I love you, and you will never be forgotten.